Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Jargons. Today we are going to discuss about Mashrui service from Land Department, which allows us to check the project status in Dubai. So whenever a new project is getting launched, all the developers have to submit a detailed project report to the Land Department. In order to ensure the progress of the project is smooth, and in order to that report, RERA conducts regular inspections for that project and put their report on the server to check for the public domain. Whenever a project is registered with the Land Department issues a unique project ID along with a unique escrow account number to all the projects. So there are several components of that report which is available on the Dubai REST app, the Mashrui service, and few of the components are the recent pictures of the site, the level of construction, the level of MEP works, and how much % construction has been completed. These are the few components of that report. The Mashrui service or project tracker service is available on Dubai REST app, which can be downloaded from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and from there you can just put the project ID or the project name. You can get all the details about your project, the current status, everything is available over there. This app is very user friendly and is very handy for any kind of investor across the globe who wants to check the status of their project. It's just on a fingertips. You can just go into the app, put the project ID or the project name, and all the details related to your project is on your screen. So whenever you want to search about the status of any project, you just need to open the Dubai REST app, go into Mashrui service, put the project name or the project ID, and all the details will be there. The most important thing, you need to check about the status of the project by the Land Department. If it is active, then your project is going on very smooth and it's according to the timeline. If it is conditional active, it means that there are some conditions over there but the project is active. And if it is stopped or cancelled, then it is a cause of worry. You need to contact your developer or the Land Department to check the reason why it's stopped or cancelled. Along with the status of the project, you can check the component and the inventory mix of the project as well. As you can go there, you can check that what is the elevation of the building. It is ground plus 20, ground plus 25. What is the inventory mix? How many units of studios are there? How many 1 bedrooms are there? 2 bedrooms are there? 3 bedrooms are there? So that you just can make a rough idea about the demand of the project according to the supply in the project. For more information about the recent projects in Dubai or any clarification about the Mashrui service, you can contact Homes for Life anytime. Thank you.